Joint A, joint A, joint A, joint A, joint A has been analyzed. Joint A has been analyzed. We have actually analyzed it to be this, that. उसके बाद क्या था joint B. Joint B is this one. The joint B is also analyzed, and we have seen the three different forces originating from joint B. This. Okay. So yeah, plus I just forgot it. Plus. Oh my God, I forget it. Somebody is trying to join. Salva de Parma. So joint B is also analyzed, and now comes joint. Which joint would you like to take? Now, what did I tell you? Yes, what did I tell you? The thing is that if you take the very joint where the minimum number of unknowns is present, knowns कितना है उससे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि to understand where the minimum number of things. So joint H has been selected henceforth. So let's draw the joint H for once. Let's draw it. How does it look like? One force will be like this. Another force will be like this. Yeah. Another force like no ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ठीक है? Another force is also there, which is like this. Yes or no? Verify, confirm. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So these are the forces which you're talking about. And of this, as you can see over here, of this, only these two forces, the red colored marked forces, are actually the things which are unknown to us. Okay, I'm denoting it with a different color. I'm denoting it with yellow color, okay, because orange is already used for loading purpose. Somebody's trying to join. All right. So the black colored lines, whatever you can see against joint H, the black colored lines, those are actually framed as per their correct orientation. मतलब rectify करके जो directions आएगा, after rectification, after this plus minus things, whatever happens, this is the correct orientation of the forces. मतलब ये वाला force अंदर towards the joint है, ये वाला force away from the joint है. So this is, as you can see over here in this very figure, it is determined as such. Okay. Now name the forces. What are the forces over here? It will be this one. HC, isn't it? This is THC. How much will be this one? HG. Okay. Clear, everybody? Is it visible? I mean, I understand it's not that visible. I understand, but still, you have to bear with it. Okay? I have no other option out actually. What is this? What is this force? How much was this force? Force AH. How much is AH? It's 28.99, isn't it? It's actually 28.99. 29 something. Can I consider it, sir? Can I consider it as 29? Everybody.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
28.99 कुछ खास फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. And there is another one thing, which is how much? How much was this HB? कहाँ पर? It's 12. And mind you, all these
B joints.
So this is
HB 12.
You just see, it's BH HB एक ही तो बात है. Yeah. So this is 12 out here. So the thing is, what I'm concerned about is, since we are already defining the directions of the forces, so we need not write the positive signs and the negative signs. We are automatically rectifying this in the diagram itself. So मुझे ये plus या minus से देखना नहीं पड़ेगा. तो यहाँ पर देख लो TAH, that has come as minus 28.9, but I have taken as plus, isn't it? Why? Because of this very simple thing. बताओ यहाँ पर क्या क्या होगा? टेल मी सम ऑफ द हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्सेस. व्हाट आर द हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्सेस होगा? टेल मी. 20 sorry. PHG plus PHC cos
45.
5 huh? There is another thing also. Plus 29 cos, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
इसके लिए भी एक cos component है. So there are three different forces, two inclined force and one exactly horizontal. Exact horizontal वाला क्या है? HG वाला, isn't it? This is the exact horizontal wala is equal to 0. So what is the equation coming down to? EH2 what is the equation by the way? Is equal to minus 11. What is how much is cos? What 25 divided by 1 by root 2 is how much? 0.707. So I'm writing 0.707. Can I write down like this, everybody? And what is 29? So how much? 20.5, isn't it? Yes or no? If I'm not wrong, please check this thing. Hello. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay? Is it okay? Yes or no? So यहाँ पर
Okay, sir.
okay. So this is also not summation of v should be 0. तो यहाँ पर v vertical forces क्या क्या है बताओ? Which direction are you going to take positive? ये पहले बता दो. In which direction will you take actually the positive direction? The upward direction. So which one? Yes. So which force is actually in the upward direction? कौन सा force? That this force is actually in the upward direction, right? ये वाला.
29 cos.
यस तो इसका जो साइन कंपोनेंट होगा या फिर इसका जो वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट होगा यह हम लोग कंसीडर करेंगे. हम इसका साइन कंपोनेंट क्या है? 29 साइन
Sin 45.
दैट्स व्हाट. ओके
minus 12.
माइनस डायरेक्टली देखो 12 है माइनस देयर इज वन मोर थिंग आल्सो
one more sign. THG sign.
HC.
Oh,
Yes.
HG.
Okay, everybody. Where are is equal to 0. तो यहाँ से देखो you can just literally find out. You can just literally find out. Just what is THC? Tell me what is THC? What is THC? Equal to is it 12? Is it 12.023?
12.02.
12.0 कुछ ऐसा आ रहा है. So it's coming positive. That means what is the thing over here? Positive का मतलब क्या है?
Direct.
This is how much? Someone is trying to join. So whatever direction we had considered, it is true. Now therefore, what will be HG? How much? HG क्या हो जाएगा? Tell me. Using that equation, यहाँ पर तो HG का वैल्यू बिठा दो, यहाँ पर PHC का वैल्यू बिठा दो. कितना आ रहा है? How much is it? Still negative में आएगा कुछ minus 20.5 minus 0.707 into
Minus 29.
so it's coming minus 29. Isn't it? It's coming like this, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no? So this direction is actually, yes, this direction is actually on the opposite side. That means तो कुछ दूसरा direction में होगा, okay? So we'll just sort it out in the this level पे. In the next numerical, you can just have it. So यहाँ पर कैसे दिखेगा वो चीज? So just on the master diagram, do it. कैसे दिखेगा? ये कैसे दिखेगा? ऐसा ना. दूसरा ऐसे दिखेगा. है कि नहीं? ऐसा ना.
Yes.
और एक है. We have actually found out. Yes, we have found out. This will be how much? Like this one. Yes, and one like this.
Will be away.
Yes or no? Please confirm. Yes or no? Everybody.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
In direction. This direction is actually dashes, not arrows. ऐसा होगा, ठीक है? Now the thing is clear. See, priorities is now changed. These tools are actually known to us. So, since it is known to us, just clarify it as green. Now, which joint would you like to take? Tell me. So, कौन सा joint है?
G, sir.
G point.
And G.
G point. Yes, in G point you have one vertical and one horizontal, and two known forces. एक HG वाला, एक 14 kN वाला. It's as simple as it can be. So कर लो. Joint G, isn't it? The joint G, we can just clarify it like this. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Same फंडा होगा. Same thing here. A joint G draw कर लो. कैसा दिखता है? How does it look like? One will be like this. Using this color, one will be like, say, this. Sorry, this color. We do not know that one will be, say, like this. It will also be of this color. And one will be like this, which is this color. Here, everyone, everybody. Hello.
Sir, take TGC as a upward force
हाँ हाँ वही मैं कर रहा हूँ करने जा रहा हूँ.
because
Yes.
otherwise we will get that negative.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
So what I just did is इसको कितना लिखते हैं इसको ऐसे तो ये वाला मुझे तो ऑलरेडी पता है. It's 14 kilonewtons. How much was this one? THG. How much was THG? ये वाला फोर्स कितना था? बोलो. ये वाला फोर्स, ये जो यहाँ देखो, ये वाला फोर्स है. Whatever I'm saying over here. How much was this? HG है ना? HG is nothing but yes. It is nothing but 29. Now देखो, I am not considering the negative symbol one because I've already specified the direction. That's it. So which is known, which is unknown to us. This. So did I need to solve this out? Did I need to solve this joint? It's very simple one, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. अगर ये 29 है तो ये भी 29 हो जाएगा कि नहीं यार, ये 14 है.
The horizontal will be 29, vertical will be 14.
That's right.
14.
Exactly. तो हम लोग यहाँ पर already it's served. This is served. This is also 29, and this whatever courses where we were discussing, we just do not need to. Clear, everybody? Everybody.
So now you can see.
Everybody. So let's
Yes, sir.
step by step is good, so you can understand. This is one. This is one. Clear? And उस तरफ क्या हो जाएगा? कुछ ऐसा. And clear, everybody. Now, what is the force which we have? Sorry, what is the joint which we have to consider over here? Same thing. Sorry. Analyzing this joint anymore. You can do it all by yourself. Now what? Which joint? Joint C, isn't it? देखो joint C में ही, yes, just देख लो joint C में ही वो वाला बात है कि yes, you can have two different running forces. Solve कर लो. बताओ.
2 and
Tell me how much. So just draw the things. Okay, I'm insisting all of you. It takes time. I understand. I know it takes time. But still, it's advised to all to kindly draw the figure and do it. Abhi, I can solve this out. Why? Because I already know these things very well. But such will not be the case for you every time. So the thing is, that is the request from my side. ये वाला एक force यहाँ पर, एक force है ऐसा. Instead of which of force, there is one force also on this side. There is one force on this side, and there is a last force, which is this. Beginning.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what are the forces on the direction of force control? C control. How much was this one? What was this one actually? CH. TCH. CH मतलब ये वाला है ना? अपना ये वाला है. CH. HC. CH. HC.
12.03.
Exactly. It's 12 point. How much was this one? Yeah, ये वाला how much था? ये कौन सा होगा? I believe the CB, isn't it? CB कहाँ है?
CB,
ये रहा.
sir.
It's plus 20.5.
20.5.
करते हो. 8.5. How much is ये वाला vertical वाला? It's CG. CG कहाँ पर है? CG है यहाँ पर. CG is anyone who is CG दिख रहा है तुमको? अच्छा अभी देखिए CG यहाँ पर. Look at this one. Everybody. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
देख लो ना. You just see these two diagrams combinedly. ऐसा ही तो है ना ये वाला सेक्शन कुछ ऐसा ही. तो अगर ये 14 है तो ये भी 14 होगा. So just have get the equation. Summation of all the horizontal forces. बताओ क्या क्या horizontal forces यहाँ पर है. पहले ये वाला लिख लेते हैं थोड़ा. ये वाला कौन सी इसका नाम क्या दिया जाए?
Forces are there.
हाँ?
4 horizontal forces are there.
4 horizontal forces as you can see over here.
2 components and 2 left and right side.
Yes. Problem understandable by everybody. I need a
Excuse me,
confirmation
sir.
from just
Sir,
Alina.
sir, can I leave the class? I got some urgent work.
It's okay. Fine. Alina, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's fine.
Sir,
It's
can I
fine.
leave?
Yes, it's fine. You can.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. So CF and CD, these are the 2 points. करते हो? So देख लो क्या का equation. How will you frame the equation? बताओ. So it's
minus
minus
20.5
20.5.
plus TCD
एक करके जाओ. एक minus 12.03 cos 45. Isn't it? Isn't it? Cos. Ah, 45 degree का है. ऐसा ना. Plus कुछ है. Plus
TCF
CF. Same thing. Cos 45 degrees plus TCD. Yes or no? Yes or no? The equation is framed well.
yes sir.
Everyone. तो यहाँ से क्या we can just decipher or what we can just decipher.
TCD minus plus
TCD plus
TCF cos 45 equal to 29.006.
cos 45 multiple इसको 0.707 हो जाए.
Okay.
दिखने में थोड़ा आसान लगता है. Otherwise cos 45. See sir, again I'm telling you life hacks and all. So is equal to
29.006.
is equal to 29.
29.006.
So 0. And just consider it, okay? You don't have to consider 0.0000. So you can
Okay,
just
sir.
literally consider this.
Got it.
Similar is the case over here. Let us consider 29 kilograms over here. TAH 29. Okay, ये एक हो गया. And what is the next one? Summation of vertical is equal to 0. क्या हो जाएगा vertical में? What are the vertical forces arising over here?
12.03 sin 45
12.03 sine of 45 degrees
minus 14
एक एक करके देख लो. ठीक है, everybody are you getting plus isn't it TCF sine 45? I hope now the components of the forces is known to all of you. Like how do you actually put the components of forces? Yes or no? Yes or no? क्योंकि देख लो यहाँ पर एक inclined member है. ये वाला जो inclined member है, this is one inclined member. यहाँ पर और एक inclined member है, that yellow colored inclined member. And so इस दोनों के लिए two different vertical components generate होगा ना. Inclined member मतलब क्या? A part of it is actually along the horizontal, a part of it is actually along the vertical. So एक के लिए एक vertical component है, तो दूसरा के लिए दूसरा एक होगा. So ये यहाँ पर देख लो, ये यहाँ पर एक sin 45 component, यहाँ पर भी एक sin 45 component. And one more thing, that 14 kilonewton force, that vertical force, is actually a direct force. तुम उसका कोई component नहीं, वो directly act कर रहा है. तो यहाँ से just find out what is TCF. How much is TCF?
7.76.
7.76 plus
Yes, sir. Plus.
7.76 kilonewton. Yeah, unliya. It's plus 7.76 kilonewton as we get over here. And therefore, TCF अगर निकल गया तो TCD कितना होगा?
23.51.
23.51.
51.
कौन है ये? 23.51
Positive, sir.
kilometer. Okay, that is means the assumption was correct. Here, everybody. So ये जो दोनों yellow colored marks था, that is actually known to us. So I will be writing it in green colors. Okay, everybody. Now what is left? Yes, C point भी हो गया. Now tell me, which point would you like to take? D point, F point, कुछ भी. Which point would you like to take? See, देखो एक एक करके the thing is actually getting sorted over here. How much is C?
Sir,
हाँ बोलो. Tell me.
F.
हाँ.
So now point D.
Now point.
D.
Somebody studying F, somebody studying D. Toss कर लो.
So if we take D, then it will be easier for us.
Easier for you. देख लो. Let me draw it.
So take D, sir, is not an issue.
It's okay. You can take anything.
Yes, sir.
कुछ भी चलेगा. पहले ये काम कर लेते हैं. मैं ये कर लेता हूँ. आप पहले D में 11 पे 3 बनाना. So as you can see over here, अच्छा recording में चल रहा है ना. So as you can see over here, see these only two things are this only joint F and joint D needs to be analyzed. If you take joint F, the same thing will happen. If you take joint D also, the same thing will happen. So only two joints are needed to be analyzed. So do I need to solve this
We
analysis? पहले ये बता
we
दो,
insert point D for.
is it worth the thing? मतलब अब तो कर पाओगे यार. मतलब सिर्फ टाइम वेस्ट होगा. अब तो कर पाओगे सर, isn't it?
Yeah.
So is anybody facing any problem in the calculation part now? Like Tithi informed me that Vipon, you got a different answer, right?
What's that?
You got different answer or what? But you have analyzed. I was talking to Tithi just before this class. So she told me about one thing. You may have solved this numerical and you got a
So
different answer.
So I take one direction wrongly. That's why I got different answer.
Okay. No, I think that problem is now clear, everybody. Hopefully,
Yes, sir.
both Recon and the entire class. Okay, so it's just that key. Just take care of these notations. हाँ, इसीलिए मैंने बोला था कि pairs को draw करो, joint को draw करो, joint को draw करके देखो कि forces क्या आ रहा है. So if you do not realize, if you do not visualize the forces, you will not be able to understand the forces also. That's why your analysis may get wrong. So that it doesn't happen. Right first. थोड़ा time लगेगा. 2-3 seconds ज़्यादा चाहिए. 5 seconds to 10 seconds to draw a joint. So Android with this the notation के साथ you just do it. Okay. So joint C हो गया तो you can just analyze joint D, joint F as it is. Joint D लेना बेहतर होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक already external force है, there is one known force and there are two unknown forces also. So you can just do it. Okay, I'm not going into the details. All you need to do is just do it. So clear, everybody? Everybody. So. So I'm doing the same thing. Number of forces of the members G, HC and तो अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ जाए, okay? अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ जाए, you are using the same clear all everybody hello,
Yes, sir.
this is clear to all of you, the diagram and the things. So see the same thing is actually right in front of you, okay? The same diagram, just
Need
right
to
in
do
front.
the same from the beginning.
Hey, मतलब what did you say? I didn't get it. বুঝতে পারি না কি বলছো।
So that means we need to do the whole numerical from the beginning.
কেন দরকার আছে?
Only the joint, the mention in the question.
Let's see the joint नहीं, यहाँ पर joint की बात नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, members की बात हो रहा है। What did I tell you in the method of sections?
Yes, sir.
The method of
Members.
sections
Method
क्या
of
था?
sections.
Yes, only job.
वो
पहले वो
method था ना,
exactly member forces in only these members. उसका मतलब क्या है? यहाँ पर जाके देख लो ना, वो भी confirm हो जाए यहाँ पर everybody method of sections to be applied only यहाँ पर देखो, only when the member forces of a certain member is required to be found out, isn't it? तो ये पूरा का पूरा चीज एनालाइज करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, डोंट नीड टू वेस्ट टाइम। तो मैं अगर बोलूं कि भाई साहब एच डी नहीं बल्कि ऐसे निकालो, GF FC and CD. So that means which forces? Isn't it this GF force? This is FC and this is CD. This is the force or these are members. तो तुम यहाँ तक आने के लिए मेथड ऑफ जॉइंट्स अगर अप्लाई करोगे तो ये सारे का सारा एनालिसिस करना होगा, isn't it? From joint A, joint B, joint AG, joint G and joint C also. You have to analyze all these things. Yes or no? CD के लिए तुमको joint C तक एनालाइज करना ही पड़ेगा. So we have. So what we do is, if I make it like this, I can just अच्छा यहाँ पर कुछ और forces भी लाता हूँ. I forgot to put on the forces. I forgot to put on the forces. Wait. ये force है, ये भी एक force है. So forgot to put on the force. Let's make it down like this. Clear everybody? Now what to do in this case? क्या कैसे solve करेंगे इसको? Solution. Hold on. What to do in this case? First thing, what to do? Hello. Hello. Tell me something.
Sir?
Tell me something. The thing which I am telling is what to do. Solve कैसे करें इसको? Find the member force of this number GF, FC, and CD. Tell me how to solve it out.
Same process, previous, just like the previous one.
What is the same process? Tell me.
Summation of
First of all, the
horizontal
first
force, vertical force,
We need to
First-
select the
and then
section.
movement.
yes, we have to first of all the step one is we have to find out the reaction forces. ये जो हम देख रहे हैं ना, the green colored arrows which you can see, these are nothing but the reaction forces. So we have to determine the reaction forces. So since
প্রিভিয়াস নিউমেরিক্যাল তো স্যার তুমি আগে করে রেখেছিলে।
early করে রেখেছি, the thing is only this I can just copy and I can just paste it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I
Yes, sir.
can
Yes,
just
sir.
copy and I can just paste it. That's it. So ये तुम्हारा determination of reaction forces
Yes,
is
sir.
already, yes, it is already there. So when we control C, आजा भाई जगह पे आजा। पट्टा सा हेडशॉट। इसको कहते हैं जुगाड़, ठीक है। 20.5, 23.5, everybody. So उसके बाद क्या? What is the next thing which we need to do now? अब क्या करेंगे? अब तो हो गया, चलो सब किसी के लिए। Everybody getting this numerical? Everybody in the forum?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what to do after this?
Selection of joint.
Now देख लो ना, क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा हुआ है? The member GF, the member FC, and the member CD, isn't it? This is the thing which is okay. So
Okay,
concept
okay,
is selection of a section. Okay. Now which section? Tell me. What is the section which will involve all these three member forces? Tell me. कैसा बनेगा section? If I say make a section like this, will it serve the purpose? Will it serve the purpose? Yes or no? मतलब मेरे इमेज ट्रस को ऐसे बीच से काट दिया in this format, तो will it serve
স্যার
the
এফটা
purpose?
কোথায় স্যার? ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
প্রাণ
দেখতে পাচ্ছি, দেখতে
প্রাণ
পাচ্ছি।
করে দেখ, ঠিক আছে। চশমা পরে যেরাম ভাবে খুশি দেখো। আমি সত্যি I have actually written this thing. Okay, everybody. So if I just cut this section like this, will it serve our purpose? What are the unknown forces that will be generated? One is this one is this one is this one this, and one this. Out of this, only CF joint is the thing.
Particularly কাট করলে
If I just cut it vertically, I cut it vertically like this.
between G and F and CD line.
तो अगर ऐसे कट किया तो कैसे कौन सा फोर्सेस आर जनरेटिंग?
सर यहाँ पर नहीं, राइट साइड पर GF
That means
की
what? यहाँ पर I'm just demonstrating one thing as Ripon is trying to tell, and what I'm trying to tell is HG यहाँ पर अगर ऐसे ऐसे उसको कट करेंगे तो HG जनरेट होगा, HC जनरेट होगा, BC जनरेट होगा। लेकिन is that our point of concern? No. So what I do is I do not cut like this. I rather cut it in this direction. Now see this
and
joint
we can
or
find
this
each
section.
and every
Yes.
member.
देखो यहाँ पर एक GF का लिए एक फोर्स जनरेट होगा, मतलब it is getting cut along this thing, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
GF, CF, and CD. All these three members are coming in this one section, isn't it? So we will just demonstrate or we'll just find out the thing as it is. Okay, everybody? Everybody? So
Yes,
let's start. So मैंने section उसको select कर दिया. So do I need to draw this thing? This very thing. Do I need to draw this thing? बोलो, ध्यान से बोलो. Do I need to draw the section?
Sir,
Draw
right
करना-
question we need to do.
Right, left, कुछ भी, anything. Okay. Now, madam, tell me if I need to draw this thing or not. I can draw it like instantly. Since it's a combined figure, I have to dissipate and draw. चलो, draw कर लेते हैं, ठीक है, everybody. This is one. This is one, okay. And this is one. Everybody got this? यहाँ तक हो गया? And what is left is this one. What is this? Which will be this one only. Yes or no? Please confirm. Everybody, please confirm. One will be like You're all. तो मैंने इसको ना येलो कलर में लिख देता हूँ, ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ, ठीक है, so that it becomes easy for you to recognize visually. So this is the section, how it is looking like. Everybody agreeing with this? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
The group color is just group it. Single entity बन गया ये चीज, ऐसे दिखाओ ये भी करो इसको, साथ में जाएगा। And please tell the member forces, what are the member forces over here? So member force, external forces. अरे भाई इतना क्यों भाव मारता है? And we call it, हम लोग तो बचपन में हुआ करते थे, when the buses and the trucks used to blow so much horn, we used to call them horn. बात समझ में आया कुछ? समझे ना? Did you understand? कि बोलना?
Sir, voice is too low.
Thank you. Thank you for not understanding actually. Otherwise, मेरा case हो जाता. Okay, this is how it looks, isn't it? Yes or no? This is how it looks. So what happens is we know all these forces. Okay, apart from the yellow colored marks, we know the forces. Now what we have to do over here is, देखो method of sections में कैसे solve करते हैं, याद करके देख लो. Method of sections में how is it solved? ये देख लो. Equilibrium equations में क्या? All these things. देख लो यहाँ पर. Net horizontal forces will be 0. Net vertical forces will be 0, and the moment around any point will be 0. Yes or no? These three equations are actually just required. Huh? Same thing. Horizontal force is 0, vertical force is 0. So these three factors will be coming into consideration like always over here. So let's do it together. Okay, fine. Section analysis. I call it as section analysis. Right. First thing, net horizontal forces equal to 0. Clear? Now, what are the net horizontal forces? Please, यहाँ से देख लो, यहाँ से देख लो. What are the horizontal forces present? Can everybody see?
Three horizontal forces are there. Three horizontal forces are there.
Three horizontal forces are there. I'm just bringing this figure over here. Okay? Just bringing this figure over here. इसको ना इसके नजदीक लाओ. Otherwise, it won't be like you won't get it. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि साथ बगल में रहेंगे ना, you can just. So what are the three horizontal forces as you can see? Isn't it GF is one horizontal, ये वाला जो yellow color mark है, this yellow mark line is one horizontal force. This yellow color mark is also one horizontal force, and इसका जो horizontal component होगा वो वाला, isn't it? Yes or no? So EGF directly plus ECD directly plus ECF. Please. They're all, everybody. Everybody, please. Are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why is it so? तो यहाँ से तुमको कुछ पता नहीं है. All these three are actually unknown to us. कुछ नहीं होगा, ठीक है? कुछ नहीं होने वाला है.
So from vertical force, we will get one member force.
लगा आ जाता। वर्टिकल फोर्सेस में क्या क्या आएगा देखो यहाँ पर इस वाले में व्हाट आर द वर्टिकल फोर्सेस अवेलेबल। ये देखो
plus
ये
5.
जो दिस एरो ओके लेट्स ब्रेक इट डाउन। ये जो एरो है ये तो ऑलरेडी हॉरिजॉन्टल है ना, इसका कोई वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट होगा नहीं होगा। सिमिलरली इस ये जो एरो है दिस इज आल्सो वर्टिकल सॉरी हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स। तो हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स का कोई वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट होता नहीं है ना, तो द ओनली थिंग व्हिच इज हैपनिंग इज इसका एक
Incline.
वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट। यस इंक्लाइंटेड वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट। पहले मैंने इसका एक हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट लिया था इन दिस TCF cos 45। अभी the same thing will be considered as
TCF sin 40.
देखो ना उसके बाद upward direction is and since this force is already facing an upward direction like in our analysis it is in the upward direction, so we are considering it as positive. Clear everyone? हम लोग के एनालिसिस में देखो ना, हम लोग के एनालिसिस में दिस फोर्स इज एक्चुअली डायरेक्टिंग टुवर्ड्स द अप, तो उसका कंपोनेंट भी अपवर्ड होगा ना। सो एंड एनीथिंग एल्स बोलो, एनी अदर फोर्स। ये कितना है -14 isn't it? -14 एक होगा कैसा ना एवरीबॉडी।
Yes.
14 मतलब क्या, ये वाला जो फोर्स दिस इज द 14 किलोन्यूटन फोर्स एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर। नेक्स्ट और क्या वर्टिकल फोर्सेस है, यहाँ पर एक और है ये वाला। हाउ मच इज इट, हाउ मच इज इट?
-12.
And one more is also
-12.
there. Sorry. One more is also there, which is the reaction force. Get the reaction force. The reaction force we already have. The green colored force. So how much is it? Isn't it 20.5?
20.5.
Okay, 0. So how much is TCF? But how much is TCF? Keep on. Or Vidrujit, anybody.
So T is
Just
equal to 7.77.
7.77 kilometer. Tally करके
Yeah,
देख
in
लो,
previous problem we got 7.76.
देख लो. And direction देख लो, यही direction था, isn't it? CF का डायरेक्शन देख लो, यही था। यहाँ पर क्या अपराइट ही है एंड इट्स 7.77। देखा पूरा का पूरा एकदम फटाक से निकल गया। क्लियर एवरीबॉडी?
So now
Yes.
if we take the moment at point C, then we can easily find the
चलो
force
ठीक है,
at point TF.
ओके ओके, जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा, ठीक है। सो वी विल हैव टेकन मोमेंट एट एनी पॉइंट। टेल मी कौन सा पॉइंट के अगेंस्ट मोमेंट लेना चाहोगे,
So C, sir.
बोलो।
C,
कौन
point
सा
C.
पॉइंट, कौन सा पॉइंट के अराउंड यू वांट टू टेक मोमेंट? I want a confirmation or I want a suggestion from all. This is the last discussion for the topic for today. Tell me.
So I would like to take point C.
Ripon is studying point C. That means this wala point.
Yes, sir.
Somebody it is also taking C. Okay, chalo. Well, majority is actually can C equal to 0. Yes or no? Moment to 0 hona hi hai. And if moment starts generating inside a truss, that means the truss will start rotating, or rather that C point will start rotating. ये पॉइंट रोटेट करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो दैट इज वेरी अनस्टेबल थिंग ना, बहुत ही ऑब्सोल्यूट चीज है। तो मोमेंट अगेंस्ट दिस पॉइंट बताओ किस किस फोर्स के लिए मोमेंट जनरेट होगा? विल द मोमेंट बी जनरेटेड फॉर दिस फोर्स? हैंग ऑन, विल द मोमेंट बी जनरेटेड फॉर दिस फोर्स?
No, sir.
Why?
No,
Because
sir.
it is directly passing through this point.
It's at point C.
Yes. Will the moment generate for this force? Again, no.
No.
Will the moment generate for this force? Yes, it will, because this
Yes.
force is not passing through this point.
Yes,
It's like
sir.
line of action. तो ये पहला कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये वाला PGF। अब ये पॉजिटिव होगा या नेगेटिव होगा?
Positive.
So
How
positive,
is it
sir. It
positive?
will be clockwise.
How is it positive? Again, if people are not getting why is it positive? कुछ नहीं, पॉइंट C से जिस पॉइंट से ले रहे हो उस पॉइंट से towards the line of action of the
Yes,
force, and देख
positive.
ये डायरेक्शन
Then
किसमें?
it will be
Clockwise.
clockwise.
It's a clockwise direction. That means it's positive in nature. Okay. यहाँ पर girl X भी लिख दिया। चलो into
Into
how
three.
what is the distance? Into 3.
Into 3.
So that means it's positive. Next ये वाला चलो, ये वाला force के लिए I have considered Any other force? ये वाला, isn't it? ये जो vertically downward जो force है, नीचे की तरफ, yes or no? अरे भाई, हाँ यार, है कि नहीं? ये कितना था? Did you get this force, everybody? ये वाला.
It's 12.
So how much is the
12.
value? It's 12.
minus
12 into, what
3
is the distance? 3. अब ये plus होगा या minus होगा? ये बता दो.
Minus.
Only
Minus.
minus. Why?
Minus, sir.
Because we're using the same
Sir,
concept.
anti-clockwise.
Because it will actually come anti-clockwise. And what is the last force which is there? That is the green colored force. This is the green colored force, which will be this, the reaction force, which is 20.5 into what is the distance? 26. Because ये C point से लेना है ना तुमको. Yes or no? Clear with the
Yes, sir.
equation for framing. Am I just clear with the equation framing? Everybody.
yes sir. The value of
बताओ.
TGF is to minus 29
और यहाँ पर देख लो कितना आ रहा है. How much is according to the method of minus 29 kilometer? According to the
so
method of
direction will be opposite
GF, यहाँ पर GF कहाँ पर? TGF और FG यहाँ पर कहाँ है? ये देखो TFG. FG मतलब कहाँ है? Where is FG?
Minus
Which one is
29. It
That
is
means
also
add
minus
this.
29.
ये देखो. Isn't it this वाला adjoint G? ये वाला जो force है. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, yes.
direction will
Now
be
we have,
changed our
yes, we
was
have
wrong
considered on the reverse direction. Yes or no? Yellow वाला line
Yes, sir.
याद करके देखो. ये उस तरफ दिया था. So that is why it is actually minus 29 होगा. यहाँ पर देख लो. यही वाला है ना ये चीज. यही वाला है ना.
Yes, sir.
ये
In
उस
the
तरफ.
forward direction.
Yes. देखा?
Yes, sir.
And you know CF, you know TGF. Can't you find out CD? ये दोनों
yes sir
इस इक्वेशन में बिठा दो.
all
Therefore,
in our
that's
equation
what is equal to just put the values, get the answer. अब मैं तब तक इसको यहाँ पर लगा देता हूँ. Tell me how much is it?
so 23.50
Plus or minus?
plus so same like problem
So यहाँ पर देख लो CD कहाँ पर है? Where is B C D C D C D C D C D C D C D C D? भाई साहब yes 23.51 plus 23.51 यहाँ पर क्या 23.5. See, in one page only, you just did the thing. Entire thing is sorted out in one page. Clear? Everybody. This discussion is clear to all of you. Now,
Yes,
this is the left-hand side portion. Okay, everyone, this is the left-hand side portion. What we have to do is section analysis also you have to do for the right-hand side. मतलब ये जो section काटा है, तो right-hand side में भी एक section generate होगा ना? So you
Yes,
do
sir.
the same analysis for the right hand side thing and you will also get the same answer. It's bound to get. Okay? You're bound to get. So right hand side में कैसे दिखेगा? I'm just drawing this thing for you. अभी इसको solve out करना है ऐसा कोई मतलब नहीं है. Right hand side
right hand
just
side में easy होगा
easy होगा तो मुझे पता है लेकिन how?
because force are less
Yes, forces are less. तो ऐसे
minimum
कुछ
number
है.
of forces will be
So just देख लो यहाँ पर. This is one. And please take that very orientation in which you have taken for the last numerical. That means कि यहाँ से यहाँ देखो ये horizontal force जो है, ये वाला जो horizontal force, everybody. The upper वाला horizontal force, everybody. So upper वाला horizontal force किस तरफ लिया था? Towards the right. So this will be towards the left, isn't it? This will also be towards the left. Same thing. Control C. Yes, I have. And what about that thing? The other one? Want it like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
One will be
Yes,
over
sir.
here. Yes, one will be over here. And there is one another force also. अरे भाई साहब ये हाथ में क्यों नहीं आते? Yes, yes. And there is one force also. Okay. This is one force just generated. So as you can see, just clear to all of you. Okay, everybody. So hopefully you can solve it out. Just write down as it is, right inside RHS करके and solve the thing. Okay, everyone. So I need that solved in the next class itself. Clear all?
Tension control.
So in the next class we will discuss another problem, rather another set of problems. So till then, I have to take your roll calls. Okay, so just wait. Any problem in understanding this numerical anywhere, anywhere? Hopefully not. Hopefully there is no problem. Okay. So let me take the roll call first. Today is 12, right? 12, 1. So I'll be taking calling out the names. Bonusri Dotto, Rana Devnath.
Yes, sir.
I'm coming to Devnath Rana.
Yes, sir.
अरे राणा देवनाथ राइट देवनाथ राणा कैसे लिखेंगे?
Sir,
So Rana
this is
Devnath.
mistake.
Okay, fine.
Sir, এটা চেঞ্জ
Easy.
করবেন আপনার ডিফারেন্ট করতে
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে কোন হুয়ান বাগরাটা কে জানা ছিল? হুয়ান বাগরাটা কে জানা ছিল? প্রবীর ব্যাপার।
Sir,
हाँ
I'm present.
प्रबीर तो हुआन पकड़ा
Yes, sir.
तो उसको नाम थोड़ा सही से रखो यार। सौरभ घोष प्रेजेंट, प्रशांत मुजुमदार प्रेजेंट, प्रीतम मल्ला is present,
Yes, sir, present.
प्रियंका दास is present,
Present, sir.
Ira Chaudhary is present, Raima Deparma,
Present, sir.
Raima Deparma is present, Inform Juho,
Isn't sir?
Vikrajit Dev,
Yes, sir.
at Inform Dev also we have Salpa, Sandeep Chandra.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, Sandeep Chandra, Sandeep Tripura,
Present, sir.
Sandeep Tripura, Shubham
Sir. Sir.
Shubham Das,
Yes, sir. Present.
Shubhajit Shil, Sumita Bode,
Present, sir.
Sir, আমার নামটা দিয়ে আইছে না স্যার।
Shubhankar Chen, is okay.
Sir, my name also.
Sir, Rupandar.
Please visit. Hey, Rupam,
Okay,
please.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Who is?
Resma.
Huh?
Resma.
Reshma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the problem?
Sir, you haven't called my name.
Reshma, I didn't call your name.
No, sir.
I know this.
Sir, Tithi?
Wait. I'm calling out alphabetically.
Sir, I don't hear.
Wait, Reshma Deparmas, Rupam Devo, Rupam Dev Salpa, Sanjeev Tripura. Okay, fine. Wait.
Present, sir. Salpa.
Wait. Sanjeev Tripura done. Shubhankar Chen is done. Then we have Shubham Das also. We have Shubhajit Shil. We have Sumita Bode. We have Susmita Chakma now. Susmita Chakma.
Sir.
We have Subhajit Devnath. We have Tanya Devnath.
Sorry, sir.
Tanu Jamara. Eki Pranay Deke Pranadip Datta. Pranadip Datta.
Yes, sir.
एक ही pronoun पीछे देवनाथ उसके बाद I'm calling out alphabetically, okay, and this you have to buy that. So how many people are there actually? There are actually 28 people in this. 27 is yeah, Nolina was also present. She had to leave, so I didn't have present. Anyway, so thank you so much and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.